Now moving on to the compressor. First we're going to take 14 on the belt tensioner, which is down here. Turn it clockwise. Take the belt off of the compressor, which I've already done. And then the line here, this bolt going to the line is a 12. And then you've got another bolt back here, 3 bolts for the compressor. This one here, and then one on the bottom, same area. Light down here, right here, if you can see that. 3 bolts, and of course unhook a line right here, the electrical line right there. And then it should come out. And then just make sure and put the proper amount of oil. Refer to your specs in the book. Proper amount of oil in there, and then turn the pulley by hand 8 to 10 revolutions to make sure everything's lubricated, everything's good, and then put it in.